Hi, Kevin Peterman, Senior Product Manager for Liberty AV here at InfoComm 26. Very excited to talk to you about our new award-winning CAPDOC32, short for Capture Dock. This product was designed with a large university to solve specific problems that university have and that many different types of users have of bringing different device types and signal types into a docking station, but converting them all into USB so that they can be shared over a Teams or a Zoom or other type session like that. Replacing the traditional docking station with the CAPDOC gives you all of the normal docking station expectations, things like power, Ethernet, and all via a USB-C connection. But in addition, it takes SDI, HDMI, and HD-Base-T, and it converts them all into individual USB-C streams. So now a professor or a user can very easily share content from those different signal types. What you're seeing right now is this HDMI document camera straight into that computer converted into USB-C. With a quick click, I am now looking at a PTZ camera that's using SDI. Again, converted internally into USB stream and shared to the laptop USB-C. So it gives it replaces all docking stations with a single docking station and gives the ability to very simply convert and share those signals for distance learning, for different types of meetings, for training centers, and any other type of mixed environment with live and remote participants. For more, you can visit libertyonline.com. Thank you very much.